Hi, my name is Ryan DeAngelis from the Guaranty RV Supercenter. I'm going to show you today a unit that just came in. It's the newly redesigned Freedom Express by Coachmen. So we've carried these for many years, but this is the first one that came in with the new design. It's a 2020 279 RLDS LE. So it's a rear lounge. So it's about 27 feet, not counting the hitch and the bumper, and you have the and it weighs right about 6,200 pounds or something, so it's still pretty light. A few things you'll notice is a full cap up on the front. All the higher end stuff is going to have that, and it makes a very big difference. You got the 4 independent stabilizer jacks, so you control each one at a time, not one button that controls the 2 front, and there's also no cranking it. So you got your propane bottles up front, and the spare tire they stash underneath up in the front, so it's not sticking out as an eyesore and taking up an extra bunch of room when you're trying to back one of these things up somewhere. So you have a nice big pass-through in here. There's a camping table that straps in up here that you can pop out and use for outside too. You got solar prep on the outside. You got a power awning out here, and you'll notice the frameless windows, so they're a little better insulated than your typical window, and then they're also a little bit harder to see from the outside. So this one here's got the newer steps, solid steps that they're kind of doing on a lot of stuff now. And right when you walk in, it's a rear living. So you got the couch, 2 recliners right in the back. Then you have the U-shaped dinette. So you got all these windows in here. You got the window in the back, which is the key. So you got a lot of stuff that you can kind of back into different places, and you get to see out the back if you got the river, the coast, or something like that. Hopefully it's a better view than another trailer here. You got window shades that pull down on all these black shades, so you can black this whole thing out if you want to. But these both recline. They both have end tables next to them. You have a U-shaped dinette with another table that can go outside if you need to, and then these massive drawers that slide out here for storage. You have your entertainment center over here, so it's got a good sized TV that pulls out and swivels. You have electric fireplace in here as well. Now you have a 8 cubic foot fridge. Most of these have a 6 cubic foot, almost every trailer does, but this is an 8 cubic foot, so it's a little, quite a bit bigger than most of my trailers I have out here. So you got your 3 burners on the range. It's all lights up LED. It's all some newer appliances that they've kind of switched to over the last couple of years. Stainless steel sinks, and then you have kind of like a Corian type countertop in here. So you have big huge utensil drawer in here as well, and then you have a little stand over here with a bunch more storage as well. So down the hallway here, a lot of these rear lounges you go through the bathroom to get to the bedroom, and this one you don't. So you got this hallway with these extra windows, and you got your bathroom in here. It's got the big triple sliding glass door, so a nice big shower with glass doors. Enough counter space in here to kind of set some stuff up on it. Porcelain toilet. Everything in here is a little higher end than a lot of stuff I carry. Freedom Express is Coachmen's highest end line. They do a lot of things on it that separates it from all the other stuff, especially in this price range. There's a lot of stuff that's pretty cheaply built, even though the price tags are big, but this is the opposite. So you got a real queen bed in here too, an 80-inch, not a little RV queen. Front window up here, it doesn't open, so you don't have to worry about it leaking, but it kind of lets a lot of light in here and opens up the bedroom quite a bit here. And you have a 12-inch powered exhaust fan above your bed, the Fantastic Fan type deal. And then you got window shades on all these too, that you can black this out in here if you want. So there's a bunch more stuff on here I'd like to show you, because this is a very unique unit. There's the stuff as far as the construction goes that's different in here, with real wood in the floor and Asdel in the walls, so no wood or particle board in the walls, which is pretty unique. So I'd like to explain that to you. Give me a call. My number is 541-525-4001, and my name is Ryan DeAngelis from the Guaranty RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. I'll talk to you soon.